How to use Unova polls, My Calendar, and instant messaging. Polls are a great way to get the employees involved in the decision making process of the company. This empowers the employees to help the management make decisions and involves them and informs the management about what the employees would like. The created polls are displayed on the right-hand side collapsible panel. The user can vote for a poll by selecting an option there. He can also go to polls and view and vote on other polls. The polls page displays the list of active polls. You can filter the polls by the category or just scroll the list displayed. Click on a poll to vote on it. Once you have voted on the poll, you will be able to view the results in a tabular format and a pie chart. The names of the voters, however, will not be displayed. In this way, complete anonymity is maintained. You may view the names of the users who voted on the poll, but their option selected will never be disclosed. Let's add a new poll to decide the venue of an off-site meeting. Click Add New Poll in the page that opens. Enter the title and description. Select the category and the ending date, if applicable. Enabling custom answers will allow the voter to enter an option that is not mentioned in the poll. This may be activated as required. For this poll, add the ending date as 22nd April 2014. Next, enter the poll options. You may add as many options as needed by clicking the plus sign. Once you have entered all the details, click Submit Poll. We now move on to My Calendar. My Calendar is an interactive calendar that helps you stay organized at all times, no matter what. My Calendar can be accessed from the Tools menu by clicking here or from My menu by clicking here. The calendar opens in a pop-up that displays all your events, upcoming and lapsed. Open the calendar in full view to create personal events. To do so, click on the date that you want to create an event. And on the pop-up that opens, enter the details of your event and click Save. This event will be seen in your calendar by your superiors, and the person you shared it with will be able to view it on your calendar as well. You can view your calendar in the week and day views as well. Our last feature for this part of the tutorial is the Instant Messenger, more commonly called chat. This feature helps you connect with your colleagues whenever you want. Click here to see who's online. From the displayed list, click the name of the person you want to chat with and start your chat in the chat window that opens alongside. You can make your chat interesting by adding emoticons and can also send files to the correspondent. If you have to share something with multiple members, click Chat Rooms. Under Create Chat Room, enter the name of your chat room and select the type of room you want to create. Click Create Room. Once the room is created, you can invite other members to join the chat.